got a special delivery for the boy, man, my nigga, motherfucking, hey, shh, the Golden Gorilla, man.
Hey.
Let me go and let them tap in. I see that Royal Zeno shoe care. Man, that shit's so real, man. You know, they doubting. Hey, what's up out there? It's your boy Rick, man, back with another one. I'm out here in fabulous, cold Minnesota.
Really,
but nigga? I'm staying healthy, I'm staying active, and I'm staying COVID free. You understand me? I'm about to make a special delivery to my partner, man, the Golden Gorilla. Make sure you go check him out. His link will be in the description of this video. He got a lot of stuff going on. We're gonna get to that in a minute. And I'm gonna do some shout outs to all my new preferred members that are on my downline and just took that step, the first steps of success, signing up with me and joining me on this journey with Herbalife products. And speaking of that, Herbalife products, that's what I'm making a delivery for. Some Herbalife products to the Golden Gorilla. One of his favorite mixes that he gets, you know, it's like a, you'll see it later. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. And if you guys wanna get your Herbalife on it, you can sign up, get on my downline, make you some, get your side hustle on or make it your main hustle. Or you can just get some products and stay healthy and get some health products and, you know what I mean, eat right and all that good stuff. So, you know, you can stay COVID free and stay healthy and all that good stuff. But we gonna get into this video right about now. Psych, I lied. Not over yet. One more thing. If you want to go order you some of these good old Herbalife products and get you some of the, you know, meal preps, all that good stuff, or how they do it there, you know what I mean? It's a little bit different from just ordering regular meal prep from a company, but you can get the same kind of type of results, maybe even better results. You can log into my personalized website through Herbalife. I'll have the link in every description of the videos. In every video, you can go tap in there and go check out my website and you know, get your meal prep and get your meals on. You know what I'm saying? Get your smoothies on and, you know, personalized, tailor-made just for you. But yeah, we about to get into this video now. So yeah, stay tuned, baby.
I'm praying for my wolves, laying on my fools. Mama told me, boy, you better take it slow. All this business on my mind, tryna mind my business. This life that I'm living, I'm just tryna live it. I'm praying for my wolves, laying on my fools. Mama told me, boy, you better take it slow. All this business on my mind, tryna mind my business. This life that I'm living, I'm just tryna live it. Tryna find my purpose and how I'm living. I'm tired of getting involved in all these decisions. My dogs ain't even following my visions. It's problems I can't solve with all these riches. They look what I'm wearing, look at the crib, but they didn't listen. They acting different, say I ain't gotta think I'm a magician. Who is you kidding?
Hey, man, it's been so long, man. I forgot how to hit record on this thing. Yeah, man, I'm out here in the cold, man. Track hawk. Oh, look at him. Yeah, man. It's that winter time, man. I'm in this little parking, man, valet shit, whatever, self-valet. Got a special delivery for the boy, man, my nigga, motherfucking, hey, shh, the Golden Gorilla, man. Just slide in this thing. And, oh yeah, let me show y'all what I got for him, though. For Mr. Fitness himself, man, Golden Gorilla. Make sure y'all tap in. Link will be in the description. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna read it for you. This that Herbalife healthy meal, man. You know, he ran out, so I had to, that cookies and cream favorite flavor, I had to bring it to him. All right, we in this thing, man. Nigga had to come get me, man. This cuz right here, look, it's hella secure in this building, man. Ain't no coming. Damn, where you at now? This is like a bunch of safety deposit boxes in this joint, though. Hey, this the man himself, man, Mr. Fitness, man. Strong arm in the motherfucker, though, man. That's your cuz right there, man. The Golden motherfucker Gorilla,
man. You already know what it is, man. Yeah. We in this thing, man. We in the Fort Knox right now.
I see, yeah. You usually go through the back, though. Yeah, this is a nice building right here, man. Y'all check it out. Yeah, like the stones on the wall. Yeah, man, I got that back for you, cuz. Yeah, he finna let y'all know what he got going on, man. He got some products coming, some health products. fitness products. They got some shoe shine products. They actually have some shoe shine shops that are in a couple different locations. You know, been around for over 50 plus years.
Yeah, 50 plus years since about 1962, man. Yeah, so we released some products, all shoe care stuff, cleaner, protector, everything that got to do with shoes, protect your soles so they don't wear out. So you got the red bottoms, you know, you keep them things new, fresh, you know.
Oh, I ain't been up here. Man, what way I be coming through? Oh, we up. Okay. You be having me come through different ways, man. This boy had a scenic route, man. Hey, this is a fly ass building, though. I'll tell you that. Oh, this is the workout room. Hey, man, Lil Romeo might be in this joint. Right now. Oh yeah, this where the magic happens, man.
Yeah, this where the magic happens.
Hey, like I said, man, he most definitely got the formula for y'all, man, on that fitness side. So if y'all want to learn some little tidbits and
guarantee to work. Guarantee to work.
Oh man, strong man himself, man. Oh yeah, this. Oh yeah, he still active. Yeah, we'll be up here, man, as soon as the summer hit and Corona go away. Yeah, man, as the title and the description say, man, we do have the motherfucking coronavirus, the real vaccine.
Yeah.
Hey, man, the real vaccine, the natural way. Yeah, like I said, the real vaccine, you know what I'm saying? The healthy way, though. The gorilla way, man.
Man, that's the only way. You know, the gorilla way, the golden gorilla way, man.
Hey, what's that website, cuz?
Well, we got it with thegymbagroyalty.com.
I'm gonna throw that up there.
You can go and get all your little fitness equipment and stuff that you need to work out at the gym, from the gloves and all that stuff, at a great price. Then we're gonna have a Royal Zeno Shoe Shine website coming to you real soon, where you'll be able to do drop-off pickup service for all your shoes, and you'll be able to mail in, and you'll be able to buy our products, which is our own brand, Royal Zeno Shoe Care. Like I said, we've been in business since 1962, so be on the lookout for that. All the best products for your shoes, especially if you love to take care of your shoes, you're gonna want these products, guaranteed.
You can subscribe to the site, man, so you can get the updates on new products and whatnot. So make sure y'all go do that. And I'm gonna have all the links in the description of this video so y'all can tap in. Ain't no excuse, man. You know what I mean? Hey, like they say, health is wealth, man.
You gotta take care of yourself.
Gotta take care of yourself.
Cause ain't nobody else gonna do it. You only get one life to live. You know, we can't treat our bodies like automobiles and jewelry. You can always get that back. You know, these are special sanctuaries, so we gotta really take care of them. Real shit.
Real shit. I ain't got no choice, man. I'm being forced to it, man. Health conditions call for it, but hey, man, it was a beautiful thing, man. It was really a blessing. You know what I mean? So a nigga doing what he have to do, being forced to do it, you know what I mean? And feeling good about it, so it's all good. I ain't tripping. But yeah, we gonna slide to the gym in a minute and you know, give y'all some we'll give us some samplets.
Yeah, man, we'll give them some samplets, man. You know, some shoulder day. So, you know.
Oh, he doing big shoulder today.
Yeah, big shoulder today.
See, I don't be with the strong man shit too much, man. I just do my like little cardio, you know, because that's what the doctor orders. So I do the minimum, man. I'm kind of lazy, but I know it's a lot of people out there that really big about their fitness, like cuz right here. Like I said, if you really about your fitness and you want to get that motivation, that daily motivation, and follow somebody that really be on it, tap in, man.
And it's all natural. It's all natural. You know, that's the best way.
Right.
When you do it all natural, it stick with you. You know. A lot of people, man, they put all their bullshit in the body. That shit catch up with you 10, 15, 20 years now.
Oh yeah, I'm a living testimony with that one. Yeah. Living like wild 20s, man.
They catch up to you, so you definitely gotta, you know, it's the right way to do this. And it's all about consistency, creating that good habit. Once you create that good habit, then it's like riding a bike. You know, it's just like getting up every day, putting your 2 feet on the ground. You know, fitness is, you know, making it part of your lifestyle.
But don't turn down this game. Y'all stay turned up with that. But yeah, I'm gonna do some shout outs in a minute. Shit, I might as well do it now real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give these shout outs about that time for the people that just signed up on my downline, on my preferred members, taking their first step to success, the Herbalife way, and signing up with me. I just screenshotted the last 10 people in the past 6 weeks that signed up. So, you know, shout out to y'all. Don't get lazy with it. You know, I'm getting checks every month, man. I'm telling you, guaranteed, man, I can show and prove that. And let me go ahead and shout out some of these people. So shout out to Joyce. Shout out to, if I get your name, if I say it wrong, man, please excuse me. This is Magda. It's M-A-G-D-A. Shout out to you, homie. Stephanie, Rachel, Manuel, Crystal, Terry, Tanya, Holly, Melissa. Yeah, that's it. That's the 10. That's the last 10 folks. But yeah, like I said, don't get lazy with that, man. And if y'all want any information, any more information about, well, the business and along the way and on your journey, the guy that I'm under his downline, and he's always pressing me. His name's Dylan. I can give y'all information to him. He's touring around the country, and he does a lot of meetings and talks, and you know, he's really, he does that with Herbalife. So if y'all want some more information about that, I can tune y'all in with that. Other than that, real life fitness, working out stuff, go down in the link in the description here. Tap in with, subscribe to the Golden Gorillas YouTube channel. That will be in the description, as well as the website, the gym bag. Make sure y'all tap in with that, subscribe to that too. And yeah, we gonna get with y'all in a minute, man. We finna slide in this gym. He finna make out. What's this shit? What you got candles out here? Like you selling candles and shit? These products?
This is just.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I see the Rosina right there, man. Hold up, man. We ain't done yet, man. Hold up, man. We still got some more to show, man. You know. Hold on.
Right here. You see this?
Hold on. Let me go and let them tap in. Let's see that Royal Zeno shoe care. Man, that shit's so real, man. You know. They doubting. They don't believe it.
Oh no, man, don't doubt, man. This shit for real, man. You see the name? It's gonna be hitting you real soon.
Hold on. We gotta let me get zoomed in on that thing. You know, these cameras, man. It was just zoomed in on it. Oh, there you go. Boom. That's another one right there, like DJ Khaled say. Y'all see what it is. Now what's that right there?
This is a cleaner. This is a premium shoe cleaner, top quality stuff. The packaging will be a little bit different. The logo is going to be a little bit different when it hit the market. But as you can see, it's real and it's coming to y'all, man. One of the very few black people that's in this space. So I'm looking to, you know, conquer. Like I say, we've been in this business since 1962, so we're not new to it. But we about to really take these products to market and really show people what we got and what we can do, man. I know y'all love y'all shoes, so you got to preserve them. You got to take care of them. So, yeah, so be on the lookout.
That's another protector right there. What did you say? Protect and preserve, nigga. Yeah, y'all see that, man. Raw Zeno. Hit these damn cameras. There it go. It be right when it's right. Man, y'all see where we at, man. It's a beautiful view to wake up to. You know, waking up in the morning, getting straight to it though, you know? Yeah. But yeah, man, we finna go to the gym. What's happening, man? We in this motherfucking gym, man. It's Lifetime Fitness. It's full, nigga. Even though we in a pandemic, motherfuckers still trying to get it. But back with the Golden Gorilla, man. It's shoulder day. So
don't stop, man. It's shoulder day, man. Shoulders are very important. A lot of people don't take shoulders serious, you know. But having strong shoulders prevent a lot of injury.
And that's just like legs.
Upper body, man. You want a strong bench, you gotta do shoulders. So yeah, we in here getting it in. You know, health is wealth. You gotta take care of yourself.
Yeah.
You see you up in here. See you up in here, man. You know, motherfuckers dedicated. They focus.
Yeah.
Take dedication. Stay focused. That's the only way that you're gonna grow. You know, just like anything else in life.
Yeah, for sure. You see who else we got in this joint, man? Q Hustle, and make sure y'all check him out, man. He got some good quality music out here, really pumping it. Shit though.
Every avenue.
Yeah. Q Hustle, man. But yeah. So what's this, man? This the warm up.
Shoulder press right here. This a warm up 135. I'm gonna work out 225 on this joint. Probably do sets, 4 sets. 4 sets of maybe anywhere from 5 to 10 reps.
And the best way to work out with it? You bust them slow or you do it fast? I mean, you go all the way up.
Muscles is different. So everybody can't move weight fast. So when people see people moving weight fast, that's actually like kind of like a gift. It helps you actually lift more. because you're able to, you know, your muscles are fast twitch muscles. So it helps you out a lot.
And I heard that shit like cardio too.
Exactly.
Y'all see what's going on, man. We out here finna get it in. Big shoulder pressing. A lot of people don't use this machine here, but hey man, it's really a good workout. Y'all see what's going on. And this just a warm up. This warm up weight. Hey man, tell me that ain't heavy, man. This what they warming up.
Really
This
ain't heavy. That's
but for a warm up though.
You know what I'm saying? For the golden gorilla.
Oh, for the Golden Gorilla.
Yeah, that's really lightweight. We play with that, man. 225 all around the board. 225 on up all around the board.
Yeah.
What's up, Jeff?
That's heavyweight for me.